Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I've got 2 reasons why you should use indicators and balanced leeches. This is just a deadly way to present a balanced leech. So, reason number 1. All right, I'm changing the top fly to this little balanced leech. I think maybe smaller might be better. Let's see if this works. There we go. Fish on. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, big head shake. Yes. Oh, yeah. This is a freaking huge fish. Oh my God. Holy crap. This thing is gigantic. Oh, almost too big for the net. Holy crap. What a chunk. All right, reason number 2. There we go. Fish on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Head up. Oh, yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at this shark! This fish! Oh, and there it goes. All right, if that doesn't convince you, you need to fish it this way. It's a very effective way to present balanced leeches in lakes because you're going to catch some tank monster trout. There it is, your fly fishing pro tip of the day. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.